Okay. Wait, I need to pause this shit. I'm gonna pause it here as well. Let's see the levels right now. Um, yeah, I'm just doing a full screen capture in case anyone's asking. Um, yeah, lowered my levels a little bit. Okay. Um, okay. Yo, Sophie, can you let me know how the levels are like? Because I can't listen to myself on another headset right now. And if I play the audio, I'm capturing the audio from my computer, so it's gonna loop back, you know. That's gonna be a mess. So one of the things I was considering, I mean, there's the contest, and I had one idea, but I had to scrap it because this particular thing got copy striked. Sorry, copy striked. Let me actually go into my ComfyUI directory and prepare. I mean, I'm gonna see if I'm dropping frames and stuff. Right now, I'm not dropping any frames. Wait, have I done any filtering on my filters? No, I don't even have any filters on my mic. This is just a headset mic. Like, I am doing absolute ghetto streams. The only thing that's hard carrying my stream right now is just having a nice GPU. Wait, I was thinking, sorry, I got sidetracked. Update, just update ComfyUI. You don't want to update dependencies unless you actually need to. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna spin up Comfy. Oh, that's the particular one I wanted. Okay, let's load up our workflow. Um, that's the, do I have it maybe in downloads? Yep, that's the one. I'm just gonna get rid of this thing. Model goes here, clip goes here. Unless I want to do a clip skip, I'm actually gonna do a clip skip. Okay, and now I don't need these for now, just to be safe, you know. Some models are prone to this. I wanted to try maybe doing this bounty for now, just as a test. What models that is like a really scuffed setup. The guy wants her to be playing Valorant and a Deadpool poster. I mean, I can do some image to image fuckery on it. I have a custom hand detailer here. I can actually make it do whatever stuff I want. Okay. Best quality, one girl. Let's start with a simple prompt. Let's see if I'm dropping any frames as I'm, oh, oh wait, yeah, I don't have the face detailer set up because I'm doing a rough preview. I have my YouTube chat open on a separate device. Yeah, sorry, I was checking things out. Okay, you know what? I should probably flip the dimension. And this is meant to be 888. Okay. Let's randomize the seed for now. Why does she have a cat ear in here? What model am I using? I'm using break domain. Wait. Loader. Let's load the SDXLV. This is why you use redirect. Oh wait, I had it loaded here. What the? See, I am a little bit absent-minded right now. Let's just do this. Align selected to left. Yeah. Fit. Oh, what is it, Sophie? No, I'm not on call with anyone. You'd hear it because I just have the tab open in case someone wants to join. Give me a second. Uh, it's gonna load in. I think it should work. Okay. No. I should have, like, if you see my inputs here, I have an output capture. So if someone's on call, they should be able to hear me. I'm not gonna be streaming there though. Okay, I have one person chatting. That's nice. That's you. Okay. Dog on lap. I might in-paint the dog. And I might have to prompt for a room. Yeah, unfortunately. Okay, that's getting closer. Yeah, I'm just using straight up SDXL for now. I dislike this cosmic background thingy. Gamer room. I swear if it's gonna be a messy room, I'm gonna be so pissed. I mean, the face is nice in this one. I mean, these faces are not. I'd make some jokes, but they're gonna be a little bit too edgy, I think. Yeah. Am I dropping any frames? 0 frames dropped, so I guess compute shaders don't touch, you know. Yeah, I just want to try a simple bounty. I mean, the door makes no sense. I'd have to fix this up manually. There's too many monitors in here. This monitor makes no sense. It's literally connected to nothing. Hello.
Hey,
Hey, just saying I'm streaming, so
wait, you're echoing.
I'm echoing?
Yeah,
How? Wait, what's my input device? Settings. Microphone is the chat. I'm not sharing my screen. Supposedly my mic sounds really good from what I've heard. Let me check chat. Yo, is my mic sounding good or am I echoing right now?
wait, what's the link for your channel?
I'm just gonna send you the link if you want to check out the chat. Sorry, I have a second PC. I'm not streaming off that PC for the moment. Yeah, that stream is good. Am I still echoing, Mari?
Yeah, you're echoing.
What the fuck? Like, let me check the settings. Okay. Check if now. Try saying something now. Tell me if I'm echoing.
Wait, what?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Okay, so it was noise suppression, and that fixes the whole problem.
Oh wait, now it's echoing again.
I don't think me using OBS is gonna mess it up. I'm not generating. I don't even think I have. Wait, let me check settings, output, advanced. No. Oh, we have virtual camera. No. You have to manually start the camera. Fuck. I mean, unless you want to hear the stream, that's an option. I could mute myself here and
Uh,
check the stream.
yeah, let's do that.
Okay, I'm gonna mute myself in a second. Just let me know if you're on stream. You're gonna hear
Should
me
I
try
stay
something.
muted? Should I mute myself or?
No. You stay unmuted so I can hear you.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. If you catch my drift, you just listen to me over the stream. Stream is set to low latency. I'm like doing max bitrate AV1, so it
All
should
right.
look real clean and seemingly the Anyway, just let me know. You can even like message me somewhere.
Okay.
Papa, sorry guys, I have to wait for a second. I mean, you know what? I'm gonna open this image, and while I do this, I'm gonna move some stuff around. GIMP, open up GIMP, cause like I'm thinking I could try cleaning this up. I mean the face is derpy, but like she has a proper number of legs. She has a gaming headset on. This text I'd just remove. Uh, dust sparkles. Let's remove these in the prompt. Let's see what happens. Cause like right now I'm just fishing for a prompt. Wait.
Wait, did you say you're gonna mute yourself on the
Oh
Gypsy?
yeah. Can you? Okay. You're listening to the stream, right? I've
Yeah.
muted myself. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah. You're
Okay.
muted.
Okay, that's good. Just making sure everything's working. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. It has one of the old images. Let me view the previous generation. No,
That's
I don't
cute.
want to copy it. It's an okay starting point, but load image, paste from clip space. Whether it's gonna generate another image here, it doesn't matter. We're gonna see what it generates. I just want to run the anime upscale model because there's some V artifacts in here. It's downscaled to the same input resolution, so make this full screen. Because like in fact, let me just do this manually maybe.
Oh, are you talking about like the circles and stuff?
I'm thinking, what should I do? Oh, there's a gradient here.
Yeah.
Fuck. I mean, I could paint that one at a time. I'm just gonna do that probably. Let's see. I can keep this image in clip space and stuff. It's in here. It's not gonna do anything. I'm gonna remove sparkles dust. Takes a while. Also, I think I might need to. Yeah, she has 3 legs, by the way. Classic. And this dog has cat ears. This is something else. Wait. Add noise. Return with leftover noise. Start at step. I start at step 0. So I probably want to crank this up to like how many base steps I have. I have 30 base steps. Let's say I want to start at step 18. So there's a slightly noisy image. So start at step 18. Start at step 10.
Is it normal that there's no chat on the YouTube website?
There is chat on YouTube. What are you talking about? I set the stream to be.
I'm on the mobile site. Maybe that's why.
Are you logged in?
No.
Maybe that's one of the reasons. Maybe the UI requires to like scroll down or something. Plenty of dogs and she has 3 legs.
Wait, let me go into desktop mode.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Also, tell me
Alright.
how the stream
Oh,
quality
there
is
we go.
like.
Now I can see the chat.
Yeah. Also, tell me how many like how's the stream quality? Because like I'm testing things out.
Viewers?
No, stream quality, like how's it looking like? Actually, let's see if I dropped any frames. 0 frames dropped.
Oh, it looks fine. I can read the text and everything.
It's AV1 streaming actually. You can check the stats for nerds. Gee, let me check these stats for nerds. It's
Is that the thing that Arc is really good at?
probably quite good, probably also not as good as Nvidia, you know? Like, remember, like, the pitfall between Nvidia.
Yeah.
Uh, more than 2 legs, multiple dogs.
I wish XeSS was better on AMD.
What is her pose? Also, she has like 100 monitors in this picture.
So many TVs.
Yeah, and all of them are like 2 pixels in the initial image, so the faces are all derpy in it. I kind of like this image, but it doesn't fit what the guy wants. See, this is like a rough reference of what he wants. He wants a gamer girl, Deadpool poster in the background, playing Valorant with a dog, with a particular breed of a dog. I just want to get an image with a dog and then I can in-paint a different dog. That's my idea for now, you know. I'm gonna set up in painting in a second.
Oh, are you doing like a commission or something?
I kinda roughly like this image. I mean, the hand is messed up, but that's fixable. She has 6 fingers. Anything else that's wrong with this image? Multiple dogs. And I mean, it's like too cluttered. Let's try
Yeah.
putting some stuff in the negative prompt because it's a consistent issue. Just gonna try adding stuff to the negative prompt. I kinda wanna,
Negative prompts can be so long.
yeah. Uh,
I need to get on board with ComfyUI.
yeah, I mean, I helped you set it up. Let's see, I have an idea that what I'm seeing is similar to what would happen with
Yeah.
SD 1.5. You know what happens when you have an image. I mean, one girl, there's a bunch of dogs in the background, I think. Maybe I'm gonna do this. Long story short, I'm wondering if it's a problem with clipl being in the positive prompt, because if you put the same prompt in crop.g and crop.l, it can get wonky. Schizo stuff here, right here, holy fuck. I mean, I like the premise, but getting this image to look right, holy crap, good luck. Like, this is a nightmare scenario
Like
for
in the
AI.
crowd.
Like those faces, good luck getting them to look right. Like, most of them are gonna be so wonky that they're not even gonna get picked up.
Yeah.
I just wanna see if it's less prone to generating multiple dogs. There's a human with a dog head in the background and her face is extremely derpy. I mean, is it gonna be people in the background? I mean, some of these images are quite like nice looking at the first glance, but that's
Are
not
we allowed
exactly
to
the
stream this on Twitch?
Sorry, what? What are you saying?
Can we stream this on Twitch? Like, can we multi-stream this?
I don't know why I would want to stream. I'd have to on Twitch. I'd have to set up a multi-streaming service, and then I would probably have to drop the bitrate and stuff. Like I'm pretty much streaming at the highest possible quality. The only thing
Oh,
I
I
could
see, I see.
crank up is the AV1 encoder preset to like the slowest possible one on my GPU. The nice thing is that it's a separate queue on the GPU. Like if I go into my GPU here, right? Like the video encode is working here. And if I hit a prompt, it's gonna hit the 3D queue, right? You can see like the GPU usage, sorry, memory usage jumping up here.
Yeah.
But like basically because of this, I guess I can like hammer it with like AI workloads and not get any performance issues. Actually, which one is? I wouldn't be surprised if tensors are shoved into the 3D queue here. Copy, security, video processing. I wish they had like a video encode copy, copy one, security. I wonder whether there's like a tensor core queue. Okay. Um, this image is kind of mid. By the way, can you like feel the delay with voice chat because it's like the lowest possible delay? Basically, you cannot go beyond 1080p 60 when you're using ultra low latency on Twitch.
I'm gonna have to refresh.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. I might consider streaming games down the line, by the way.
Ooh.
You like this image?
You could probably be the most popular person in the Realm Royale category.
On YouTube? I
Yeah.
mean, I could go and play it right now if I wanted to. But I probably have to set up the category. Actually, what is my category here? Stream settings,
I'm afraid that would be
stream
fun.
health, edit, customization, live channel, live reactions. No, I cannot set the thing. But there is an option to go live instantly on YouTube right now, which is like super nice. I mean, this image has like a nice composition. The characters would
Uh,
need a little bit fixing up on faces, and these faces, ugh. Like honestly, I'd probably try to select the characters and then just bokeh the crap out of the background. Maybe try to fix up some of the faces. Like, no. Actually, I don't think like this face would even get picked up. You can see my pointer, right? I think I enabled it in OBS. Let me
yeah,
check.
yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Uh, okay. I like this aesthetic. I mean, there's a bunch of characters in the background, so I think it's not a problem with,
Yeah,
you
it's
know,
kind of cool.
me spin up WSL. Did I update? I think now I have updated the Emacs config.
What do you think of Invoke AI?
I haven't used it myself. What's the resolution I should use?
Oh, I used to use that for a little while
1182.
because they had a Nix Quake.
1182 by 886. And it's gonna round it up to 16 pixels, I think, because you have to have a multiple of 16 pixels. I mean, the background is absolutely weird, and I think
Did
my
you hear about the
denoise,
Apple event on Monday?
I think my denoise is a little bit too messy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna crank this up to like
I wonder if the
5.
M3 chip is going to be any good at stable diffusion yet.
I mean, supposedly the thing is that like Like when I looked at someone benchmarking AI stuff, again, I'm just gonna be playing at RNG Casino, by the way. When it comes to like that stuff, like, actually, let me see, Zelfie. I'm gonna close this. By the way, yeah, I'm using nicknames, so I
Is
guess
almost
people won't be
significantly
harassed
behind.
even if someone tries to, you know? Like I give nicknames to most people, so we cannot see their Steam usernames. Uh, I think it was the denoise that was causing out like all the faces in the background. Also, she has one leg and her other hand became a shoe. Just pointing it out because it's kind of funny, you know?
Yeah.
I might try using the detailer to fix up the. I kinda like that, although there's no gaming chair. I'd probably wanna paint a gaming chair in here. You know what? Maybe I should try doing that. Since I can just like, you know, copy this image. Just let me paste it here. And set this to fix, queue up prompt while I'm at it. And I'm gonna take this detailer. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it this way. Now I'm gonna remove.
Oh, yeah, I think that's
Sorry, what were you saying? Mari,
I should subscribe to your channel
if you want to, yeah. Um, let's see.
so I know when you're live. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I probably should make a background for my channel, by the way. Okay, what I want right now is I want load image. I need to
I
export
like how your only video is the video of you killing Alanori.
yeah, clip of him, pictures, temp. I wish you could manually and add information. Okay, uh, mask the sex.
Will you be doing a lot of Fortnite like gameplay?
We'll see. I am like, okay, I'm probably gonna do a combined prompt here. Wait, need to do this. I'm gonna do this. Uh, conditioning combined, that's the one I want. Colors, green. Yeah, I'm gonna probably also do this. Pro tip, just do this if you can. And I can like decide if I want which conditioning I want. I'm probably just gonna do my own conditioning here. Probably gonna do this. And I'm probably also gonna copy these, paste these here, and then I can, you know, run them to whatever I want. So I can swap them. I'm gonna copy this and make it red. Pro tip, just do this. It helps a ton. I have the text. Now let's take the conditionings here. I might also mess around with code, by the way. Down the line, we'll see. It means not even 3 a.m. here, so.
Mm.
And it's a weekend. Like, I have no plans to do much. I copied the image here. I take the image here. Let me go
Yeah, me
to my
too.
pictures. And since I'm super lazy, I'm just gonna do it this way. Let's try by removing maybe this screen, right?
This InPay looks a lot better than automatics.
I mean, this is like a custom in paint setting. We want a higher denoise. See this randomized. Max size should be copied over. It's not even gonna generate this image, by the way. Uh, or I could do a poster somewhere. You know what?
Yeah, that could work.
Yeah, let's try that for now. That's not a poster.
Oh,
That looks like a poster, right? The noise server,
yeah.
noise mask, force in paint.
I don't like the sparkly things in the background, though.
I'm gonna try to remove them, but you know, I want to preview the segments. I have
Uh,
to hook up the preview.
I see.
I hate how it's not precise. I mean, I know what the mask looks like. Uh, Wait, vertical poster.
I'm gonna log into YouTube real fast.
Yeah, just,
So if you get another viewer,
I mean,
it's me.
yeah, I mean, right now I have 0 viewers. You're not even considered a viewer. I think I might have to clone it. I think DD nice is a little bit too high. Let's try 0.6.
Here we go.
That's a superhero poster. It doesn't get the concept of a vertical poster though. So I think there's like a vague generational loss here, which sucks. I mean, this looks like a superhero poster. My idea is to grab a Deadpool poster and then just, put it on the
Why does it keep
image.
making superhero posters?
It doesn't matter. It's just that it's gonna get the color scheme and stuff. You know what I'm thinking of? Just removing this whole thing. Why is it such a gradient?
Oh,
Why is it such a gradient? I'm gonna reduce the brush size. Bam, bam. I mean, it works roughly. I wanted to try to blend it together, but the heel brush is actually hard carrying this right now. I'm just gonna grab this and I'm gonna grab it like this. That's the heel brush, right? Let me try to make it a little bit smaller. Works. Yeah, it seems that with the heel brush tool on GIMP, you kind of want to be super careful about the brush size. Can you hear my keyboard, by the way, when I'm doing this? Because I am like not using any voice pre-processing right now. I could probably slap RTX voice on if I really needed to. I mean, I can run an
yeah,
image
but
on it.
it's
I'm
like
gonna
very
remove
light.
all the sparkles for now, I'm gonna in-paint a gaming chair and stuff. And people say AI art takes no effort. You just type in anime girl with big booba and you get anime girl with big booba because they think
Wait,
of
well, you
music.
have to like literally draw a gaming chair.
I'm gonna try to in-paint it. That's my plan. If this image doesn't work, I'm just gonna do it. Is this dust or is this a speckle in the reflection of her shoe? Because I don't know if you see that AI is actually trying to do reflections
Oh,
here.
I see.
I know that when DALL-E 2 came out, OpenAI was like super big and oh, our AI actually gets how to do like reflections. It like actually understands the concept of a reflection. small stuff doesn't matter because pro tip, if you want to make everything look like consistent, you just run an image to image on the whole image with a low denoise, and it like gives everything that brush
Damn,
stroke.
Dolly has kind of gone far.
Yeah. I'm gonna need to remove these speckles, but I want to work on the smaller stuff, like single click stuff. This is light. Yeah, you have to like be super careful with each placement. Oh, this one is gonna be nasty, but this one, it likes to close enough. There's this wall. I'm gonna probably put Valorant in here, by the way. I'm gonna have to like grab a screenshot of Valorant because I know how to do these things. Just
Uh,
yeah. Uh, Let me work on these. I'm gonna also have to remove this door handle. I'm probably gonna try to in-paint it out because it's way too high up to make any sense. Wait, can you hear my keyboard or not? Because I asked you.
yeah, that is a funny looking door.
Yeah. Wow, is there like a lot of delay right now? What quality are you watching at?
Oh yeah, I can hear it.
Oh, you don't hear it? Oh, you don't hear the keyboard. Nice, nice, Sophie.
Uh,
I mean, if you
er,
want to hop on call, I can send you the link.
I'm watching at 480p. I'm on my phone, so.
Try watching at 1080. You're probably getting the latency from the re-encode on YouTube side, you know. You probably have to like watch at source quality. It's an AV1 stream at
Oh,
10
alright.
megabit. Yeah.
Wait, why? How will 1080 help?
It's native quality. There's no re-encode. Hopefully they just try to send down. I mean, I don't know if your phone can handle AV1. That's the big question.
Test?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Okay, this is better.
Yeah. It should probably be way lower latency.
Hello?
Hello, hello. Okay, that speckle is gone. Thinking, should I remove this screen somehow? I mean, the speckles are pretty much gone. I'm gonna uh, export. I don't need this. And now I'm gonna go
Are you
into.
gonna stable diffuse like a VTuber avatar? I remember you said you were planning something
It's
around that.
something I'm actually considering. Okay, let's try working on something smaller right now. Just mask editor because I'm
Ah,
lazy and I'm worried that if I try to use GIMP. Actually, I should probably make the door shorter as well, but let's see what happens if I in-paint the door handle. I made a segment. Actually, made two segments. It's gonna run two steps right now because it's not combining them. Uh, it drew a whole person because of the prompt.
it's like an action figure.
Yeah, which is why you should be careful with your conditioning. Now it shouldn't generate. Although I don't remember this model like being prone to randomly making not safe for work stuff.
All right, I'm gonna go. I need to take a nap.
Okay. I'm actually gonna take a short break as well. Give me a second. Okay. Yeah, I should be back. Node primes dropped. Um, okay. Let's see. Uh, let's try. I think I'm gonna speed up a little bit. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna send you the link. Okay. Did I do anything? No. Uh, I have an idea, and the idea is just to go like this. Can I? Oh, you can erase. Just right click. It's actually nice. Okay, thought I. Uh, see what happens. 0.65. Let's see. Some absolutely deranged drawings. What is this? I mean, it should be reusing the conditioning because I'm using my own conditioning. Actually, I should do this just because. Um, hello? Is that you? Yep, that's you.
Yo,
Hey, oh, I can hear myself a little bit back. Can you try enabling
how's it going?
noise suppression? It's in
Oh,
settings.
I don't hear you in.
Oh yeah, yeah. Wait. I'm gonna send you on Steam.
Well, I hear you on stream, but not
Yeah,
on
that's
the
the
call.
idea. That's the idea. I'm putting audio on stream because otherwise you get like weird loopbacks and stuff, you know. If you want to, you can
No, it's
go
okay. I'll
into
mute the
audio
stream. It's
settings and
fine.
enable noise suppression. I don't care about the
Don't want to
URL.
hear myself.
Oh wait, that's gonna be a nightmare because I want stream to hear you, but not the other way around.
What happens if you unmute it on here?
Unmute. Wait, what? Sorry. Oh wait, actually I can do that if you mute the
What
stream.
happens if you unmute on?
Yeah, mute the stream. Mute the stream.
Yep.
That's gonna work.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
Yeah.
agree. It's better.
So you're up to speed as to what's going on, right? Actually, you know what?
Yeah,
I
I've
have
been
I have an
checking on
idea.
second screen a bit.
Yeah. Let's put source and just try to paint. You know what I'm gonna
So
do?
you're trying to make that.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to make that door disappear.
Yeah, make that picture for the guy, right?
Yeah. I might try a straight up this line is parallel, by the way. I see a minor flaw in there. So I can like crop the image and stuff. I should probably also remove the logos on here. Remove this. But that's for later. And this screen also needs to go. What I want to do right now is I wanna.
Do you know if I make my content watchable for children on YouTube?
What kind of content are you trying to make?
It's just Dragon Ball content, so it should be watchable for children.
I mean,
But it says like you can't add like pictures at the end, like end screens, and
yeah. So I was actually reading the rules. From what I understand, if you, for example, are making like a tutorial, let's say what I'm doing right now is like an AAR tutorial, right?
Yeah.
From what I understand, I can say it's not intended for kids and get away with it. If I were making, I don't know, a Fortnite video, yeah, it'd be questionable. But the problem is, if you say that your video is not meant for kids, then
Then you're always fine, right? Then you're never in trouble, basically.
yeah.
That's what you're saying, yeah? Yeah.
Uh, then you can. I mean, sorry. If your content is not intended for kids, so you're making, you know, a tutorial.
Yeah.
Like generate a bigger one. This one, paintbrush, and just
Yeah,
paint.
but as long as there's no curse words in it, then,
Yeah.
you know. No, I was just
Wait, what's
wondering,
what's the original image looking like here? Oh, the light just kind of goes down. Okay, that's actually nonsensical.
Nice.
Wait,
Yeah, I
can
think
I
that's
can
fine
I uh can I do
that it is
like
for kids too, you know.
copy
I mean, I say damn
paintbrush?
one time. Is that bad? On YouTube? Is that against the rules?
You know what? I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. No average sampling, paintbrush, make it real small. I mean, for like the swearing rules, from what I understand,
Can I say damn?
in a
That's the only
limited
thing I said.
capacity, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, YouTube stuff. Actually, I'm gonna try to clone brush this thing. It's clone brush, so okay. And now I'm gonna grab.
According to YouTube, words like damn, dang, shoot, hell are totally safe words.
There's a C word that you're not meant to say, and don't try to say it. The the Australian word supposedly is really bad unless you're Australian.
Yeah.
And you can like the first 30 seconds you can't swear, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you shouldn't swear, otherwise, you know,
No, I
you
won't
risk
anyway,
monetization.
but
And then you cannot swear excessively. And I'll also have to check like the rules for games if I
I'll
want to
do that
stream
on my
something like
live stream,
Postal
you
2,
know.
you know, my beloved Postal 2.
Yeah. It's gonna be difficult.
I'm gonna try to paint over here, you know.
Yeah.
The idea being that I paint over this door. And then maybe it will not attempt to denoise that, but rather make this fit the rest of the image, you know?
Maybe it just makes it a wall. Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise I'd have to try to do a proper full in paint and not a detailer. And that's something I'm considering as well, just having a second like in paint workflow.
It's kind of handy that YouTube scans like for the copyright stuff.
Yeah, I think they like have automatic checks now for that, right?
Yeah. It scanned like the trailer as
Paintbrush, but I want
music.
to deselect. Holy crap, GIMP. Stop for a second.
Yeah, the trailer has music, but it's allowed. It's like not. It will not strike me, you know.
Now I'm gonna try to inpaint the top of the door. Let's see what happens now. I also kind of want to do this, but
So I need
also
to make.
things that piss me off in GIMP. CPU encoded stuff. Why is it using CPU? Why isn't it like trying to? Can it run an
I
OpenCL
don't know.
shader? Would it even be faster to run an OpenCL shader for PNG? Choose image to upload. I grab this one. And then I grab the mask editor. You can, by the way, pro tip for Comfy users, you can use the same node. You can use the same node to generate the mask and the image, just so long as the colors below, what's alphaed out, are
Yeah.
intact. Like just to show this, if I try to get an image preview out of this, it's
Okay.
gonna spit out the image with original whatever's below it, so you can safely use it in this way. Like deload image
Oh.
node is sufficient. Uh, blank wall. Let's try denoising a little bit higher, just so it can like mess up. That's a really wonky one.
Yeah.
Now it's tried.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. And now I can be lazy and I can just paste it. And I can take mask editor. Yeah. Actually, I want to try.
Are you moving the setup?
No. Uh, let's try 0.65. Gaming chair. Let's try a detailer. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna try an in-painting workflow instead. Yeah, I'm gonna try an in-painting workflow. I'm gonna grab this sampler. I'm gonna make this temporarily fixed seed. Let it actually run. I'll grab this node. Model. That's a bay. That's my conditioning I want. Just the latent, blah blah blah. Now, I'm just dragging it around. It's a little bit faster. CFG.
Oh, good.
Start that step, end that step, please. Start that step to widget. Noise seed, randomize, steps. Yeah, CFG can be kept around. Uh, Latent image. Now, we're gonna need pixels. The vey is red. Mask. No, wait, noise mask. Set latent noise mask. That's how you unpaint, by the way. We take the mask. We take the latent. We take a vey decode. A preview image. Now this has gaming chair. Start that step. It's 20. See how slow it is. It has a shit ton of steps. tried changing it, like you can see this pattern just emerged here. Like super noisy pattern.
Yeah.
Oh wait. I forgot. That's the problem. And now it actually changed it meaningfully.
Oh yeah. A bit.
Gaming chair. Let's try it again. Maybe I need to crank CFG up. I mean, the prompt it's taking is this one, and this one is taking this. And it's not combined conditioning. Actually, CFG to widget. Let's try. I'd say 11 is like really high for CFG.
You got this.
Yeah. Actually, I need to do one thing real. Are you watching at 1080p?
Yeah.
Can you check the codec it's using, if it's using AV1 for you?
Let me check.
Just go into stats for nerds, right click on the video. It should say AV1, otherwise it's gonna say like VP8,
That's for
VP9.
nerds. Let me check.
Because I can probably open this.
So what did you?
The codec. Actually, I'm gonna see myself.
Codecs MP4A .40.2.
I get VP9. Interesting.
Oh, VP09, yeah, 0051.
MP4A is the audio. They call it MP4A, it's actually AAC. Because they want you to use AAC and not like Opus, which is weird because the bitrate limit is like super low, it's like 160.
I use AAC.
AAC, yeah. Advanced audio codec. It's a part of MPEG-4. H.264 spec. I mean, no, H.264 is the video codec. It's the one you'd be using on Twitch.
Yeah. Connection speed is 20 MB.
Yeah, connection speed versus like actual data being sent, I think, is different.
Yeah, network activity is different. It's like lower.
Yeah. Why
No, but
isn't it
so far it's been
following
looking
my
really good.
prompt? It tries to redraw the part of the image. Steps 50. So that's quite a high denoise. That's like 0.6. Let's try start step 0. 10,000. Yeah, see, it's just like attempted to redraw it. I'll try end of step 50, start step 10, and I'm gonna simplify the prompt. And let's see what happens. Should probably remove the conditioning, or actually I'm gonna delete this connection. When is it gonna draw a gaming chair? Like, why isn't my in-paint setup working?
Yeah. Does he really wants to chair with it? Or?
I mean, where would be the chair otherwise? Otherwise it's like a nonsensical image. You know? That's why I'm trying to fix up the door. Though I might go back to the seed mines in a second.
Yeah.
You know what? Make this, randomize this. 8. Let's make it vertical. Maybe that composition is gonna work. It's like, see this?
Then she. Yeah.
Wait, does she have to wear glasses?
Can't you just copy that image and just?
The composition is really scuffed. Like, there's no place for a poster in this image, for example. You know?
No, okay. But maybe the AI will like create something different, you know?
I mean, for example, there's like, you know, she's just like cropped and rotated in here.
Mm-hmm.
Like, the composition is too nonsensical.
Yeah, I guess so.
Like, you couldn't even get a meaningful pose out of it. I could try grabbing an image of someone sitting, you know?
Yeah, but you'll find one in the mines.
What if I,
Lord of the Rings game looks fun
let me
with the
remove
dwarves.
room. I mean gamer. Just try to make it a normal room. Oh wow, she's holding a controller and it almost looks coherent. I like this setup. What is this
Yeah, that's cool.
controller?
More like some,
I mean like an arcade controller, like an arcade stick,
yeah,
but like
like
the
let's
sound
say
is
arcade
messed up,
stick.
the face is too small for this. I hate these anime posters.
Weeb room.
Empty room. Let's try empty room. Because it like likes to make images in the background similar.
Yeah,
I like how it like reuses colors and everything. Like these images at a glance look absolutely pretty, you know?
maybe you can start with like full white room background, white room, so it has like
Yeah.
nothing on the back, you know.
Yeah. I mean, I could also try getting a girl sitting and like
White
composite an
empty
image.
room. Yeah,
Actually,
exactly.
let's try that.
Maybe empty room,
Yeah,
no furniture.
empty room. Yeah, let's try empty room. Let's see what happens. I like starting with vague prompts and seeing what happens and then tweaking my prompts.
Yeah.
Uh, that's an interesting result.
No, I mean it's kind of empty, but
I mean,
it's more
it's
like
not even
some.
a room.
No, it's more like some trippy.
Like I wanted to paint out an inverted pyramid in this shit or something. Say
It's
it's
like
the
some
astral
art, you
plane.
know. Yeah.
You know what kind of astral plane I'm talking about when I'm talking about inverted pyramids.
No.
Oh, you haven't played Control.
For me, it looks more like some cyberpunk, wall when they're in the machine, basically.
Actually, let's try
The
adding
firewall.
pose here.
Why would it do that? Like, maybe
Sometimes you mess something up in your setup and you're wondering. Okay, it's not as noisy.
that looks like the fucking cyberpunk firewall.
I mean, these lines though are gonna be an absolute nightmare for a VA. Actually, on one stream I should try running Deep Floyd on my GPU because I have enough VRAM.
Yeah.
It actually doesn't use a VA. It's straight up like when it does diffusion, it does it straight on pixels. You don't work with latent images and then convert them back to normal ones. Although
I,
weird fun fact, the stage 3 of Deep Floyd hasn't come out yet. The last time I checked, so you need to use Stability X4. That's what they recommend. Because like three models, like three distinctly separate models you run. You have the base model, it generates 64 by 64 images, and you have two super resolution images, you know.
yeah.
And they're like prompt guided, so they actually know like what they're trying to draw, so they have like some kind of information as to what they're trying to do. So they're like actual like content aware upscaled, like not content aware and the like content aware or like scale from Photoshop, but you know.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Is the bitrate getting messy when I do this?
No, not at all. It's
Yeah.
like I said, it's like
Can't do that on Twitch. I'm telling you, can't do that on Twitch.
I mean, yeah, I only see like the background of the squares of your background. That gets a bit like,
But it's like nowhere as bad as it would get on Twitch.
no, it's no.
Yeah,
Mine on
that's
Twitch
that's.
is pretty good too,
I
but
mean,
this is,
you
looks
need to
really
upgrade
clean.
your GPU though.
Yeah,
But
No, but my streams look pretty good in Counter Strike 2 and
let's
stuff.
try this.
Oh, oh, oh no,
I
it's in the
added them.
negative. I was a bit.
And it makes people.
Okay.
Let's put
Interesting.
girl in the negative prompt. That tries to draw girls. Because it's an anime checkpoint, you know. Oh wow, look!
Yeah.
This is like
Are you
an anime
sitting?
style checkpoint. I'm using with no LoRa's. Actually, maybe clip skip is fucking me over. Let's try with
Maybe.
no clip skip. Because you skip the lowest layers of a clip encoder. Sometimes it helps with prompts.
That's pretty cool.
Actually, you know what? Let me go back in the history. See what happens. It's probably gonna generate some kind of background right now. Should probably lower the steps just to make it a little bit faster. Base steps. Let's make base steps like 20, and let's make it like 35 steps total. It's gonna be slightly lower quality here.
Yeah.
It's like super fast now. I wish like there were better switch nodes.
Switch
CFG, let's
notes.
try making the CFG like 8.5. Yeah, just crank down the CFG. Look at the amount of controllers. Look at the amount
Yeah,
of
holy
clutter in the
fuck.
background.
Why is it doing that? You can
I'm
just
using
like.
break domain and it's like I could try using reproduction. Let's try reproduction. Let's see what happens. It's gonna take a couple of seconds because it needs to load the model into VRAM.
It's okay.
Yeah, but the nice thing is that because I'm using separate queues for the video encode and for compute shaders in this case,
Yeah.
that's much better.
Yeah, way better. That's what you need.
The chair makes no sense here.
No, you could maybe Photoshop like the part out at the back.
I don't like the pose.
No, and the doggy needs to fit on the lap. Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put dog on
Oh,
lap.
yeah,
That's a cute image. I'm gonna crank the steps. Because we're getting somewhere, you know?
that option is actually great for like. This is great for like the just like to make uh,
I could potentially
screens
composite this.
like characters for YouTube or
Hands are almost
stream.
okay. You know what? I need to.
Like when it fits like all the way in, it's really easy to like cut it out and like edit it anywhere, for designs and stuff.
Fixed. Please generate the same image. Please generate the same image. Please generate the same image. Yes. And now we run it through all of this crap. And
Let's
it
go.
detected the hands. This is the pose it estimated.
Hands are really good.
They're okay.
How
See
many
what?
fingers? Well, good enough.
Yeah, I think I cranked it down the face detailer stuff because sometimes it gets a little bit too big, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna This is
I like,
fixed. This is
I like,
randomized. Let's hit it because I want to see what kind of hands it can generate.
I like a sweater. Cool colors.
She's missing a finger here on the left hand. And then I'm gonna probably try to run a separate detailer and remove the hoodie
Yeah, you can
text.
like the text. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's not the worst AI text I've seen. It's actually on the better part of it, you know.
No, it's really good. Just say zoomy.
The E is
Zoomy.
nonsensical. The Z is kind of cut in half because there's something going across it, which causes the image to get super wonky. That's like really messing the AI. If I
Yeah.
wanted nice text, I would probably try to remove the drawstrings, generate the image, and then paste drawstrings on top. And then like image to image allow the noise to make it fit, you know?
Yeah, you could imagine that it's like a Z or an L, Loomy or Zoomy.
Yeah, I mean the font is kind of nice, but like this here looks weird.
Oh, that,
This is slightly uneven, and this bit uneven. I mean, you could clone this out, but like this E is just like really wonky.
yeah. Yeah, I
This
mean,
M is almost perfect,
it's
although
kind
this
of
line at the
strange
bottom is
that
kind of going at an angle. The text is kind of like wavy in a
it's kind
way.
of strange that AI can't design text. Isn't
This
it
model
weird?
is way too small to actually spell text correctly. Again, Deep Floyd is like really good at this stuff. Like Deep Floyd is the model you want to use if you want to spell text in AI properly.
No,
Like
the
if you want a model that can actually just reliably generate text and you want it to be like made out of clouds or whatever, you could probably use Deep Floyd for it.
so it is possible. Okay.
Yeah, it's just that this model is way too simple and small for that stuff.
Yeah.
Denoise 6.5. Let's try higher denoise. Because the problem is she's missing a finger here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to not do a facial expression. This eye is slightly wonky, by the way. I'm gonna have to.
It's not. Oh, shit.
Happens. Uh, 50 steps CFG. Actually, the initial face is kind of okay. This eye is slightly droopy. Denoise
Yeah.
55, and let's try a different CD. You know what? Let's do this the old-fashioned way. I want a
The
slightly
old
different
fashioned.
face, you know?
All right.
Look, now her eyes are
That's
straight.
nice. Yeah, that's good.
I found that using a post control net, it's like super hard, but like I found like the fingers here are pristine. Like this thumb looks really
The nail is
pristine.
nice. Yeah, and the thumb. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, because it's like dumping a bunch of pixels in here, because like you're generating only like this part of the image.
Let's see.
What I want to do is I want to threshold dilation. Let's try making it 15, favored by 8. Because I want a bigger hand detailer set up here. Kind of wish someone would pop in. I mean, I couldn't even set tags in here, you know? It's just like a test stream. This hand is absolutely freaky.
They all free. Both of them.
I mean, this isn't even a hand. This is just someone's
Nah.
head
It's
melted
in
into a
the head.
glove.
Looks like
I'm not gonna judge it by her head proportions are
looks
slightly
like Sasuke.
wonky.
It's another head. What the hell?
I might
Strange.
have to set CFG a little bit lower. We'll see. Might be
Yeah.
CFG.
It's not.
Maybe it's gonna run twice because it's detected 2 hands here, That's the...
I see.
Also, I'm using DW. DW is like crazy slow, but it's really good. Okay, that's what I generated. I'm gonna try to lower the CFG to like 7. So it's gonna help lower.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
It generated hands
Oh,
this time. I mean, they're wonky.
yeah, they're wonky, but they're hands though.
That's promising.
Yeah.
Generating the other hand. This starts looking like a hand.
Yeah, that starts looking good.
I kind of wish I could. You know
Copy
what
you.
I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna replace the B-box detector here.
Okay.
Copy, clips, paste, load, image, paste,
Yeah.
mask to sex. I like this right hand.
Yeah, that's pretty with the nails.
It's a decent start. I'm gonna try. Oh wait, I wanted this one, right? Yeah, I'm
The
gonna
right
actually.
one.
I wanted this one, yeah.
Yeah, not the left one.
Paste. I wanted the right one, the left one. I'm gonna try doing lamp mask. Wait, there's nothing to do here. It's just gonna pass it through. And now let's try doing a mask editor here.
Alright. Where did your other friend go?
Mari.
Yeah.
Mari said she wants to take a nap.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. I actually helped Mari set up
No.
Comfy before, but she just like
Okay.
used it pretty much once. Maybe generate a couple of images. The noise should be higher.
No, because I might go soon. Sleep.
Yeah.
That's okay. Will you survive?
Look, it starts to looking like a hand. Hell yeah.
Yeah,
It's
I'll
slightly
stay a
faster
bit
because I'm doing
still.
one hand at a time, so it's not generating 2 images effectively. I'm gonna mess around with conditioning.
Alright.
Combine. I'm gonna take this as conditioning 1, pass it as positive. Colors green. Colors red. Yes, I am a little bit obsessive about this stuff. This goes here.
That's fine though. You
Will
have
it?
passion for it.
Yeah. Will it complain? Yeah, it has to have inputs. And this is conditioning 2. Conditioning 2. Oh, wait. Anime style hand. Forward and poorly drawn. Let's try combining these two. Oh, wait, I forgot. This is conditioning 1. This is conditioning 2.
Nice.
And now I have new conditioning here that's combining both prompts. Because you
I'm
can do like
curious.
conditioning arithmetic glove in the negative prompt.
Ooh.
Because I want her to not be wearing gloves, by the way.
I see. Yeah.
And then I'm probably gonna grab like a dog. That's not a hand. Sometimes it happens.
Yeah, it happens.
Depends on conditioning and whatnot, you know. I just want. I might do a slight modification here, and that is to just bypass this.
So next time you're streaming, you're gonna be streaming Fortnite?
Probably not Fortnite. I mean, unless I'm playing Save the World,
Some other
because
games.
right now it's basically off season.
Yeah.
Why is it generating dogs right now?
Oh, did you put dogs on it? Somewhere?
Hand. Like my positive prompt plus hand.
Yeah, I remember something about dog on lap, but I don't know.
Dog on lap is in the initial prompt, and I'm taking this conditioning and sending it straight to the control net. What if I took my conditioning and just plopped it straight in? That's so annoying. This is the negative prompt. No, this is the negative prompt. And this is the positive prompt.
Always double check it.
I can see based on the angles which one it is, trust me.
It's made the face nicer. Well,
It's
the hand
making
face.
faces right now.
Yeah.
I like the debug detailer because you can just pass custom segments into it. I've gotten it to work as a hand detailer. I've gotten it to work as a cat ear detailer.
Okay. So it just needs to like prompt a few times before.
CFG might be too low. Like I'm struggling to get the prompting right for.
Maybe lower denoise or something. So it stays like a
The
hand.
problem is, unless I take this image as an input, you know, then I could. Because I was using an image where she had an anime head. And maybe was trying to do an
Yeah.
anime head to do an anime head. But the problem is that if you set denoise to 1, it's probably not gonna attempt to generate.
No, I get that.
I don't know why it's trying to generate here.
Anything.
It's generating like things.
Weapons. Some
I'm gonna
fist look.
try to run the conditioning through a control net, but the control net needs to take this image. So now when I run a prompt, it estimated the pose. What? Wait, yeah, it should get this, and DW is getting this image, yeah. Yeah, the lines become white, by the way. Let me check chat. Oh, crap.
What's up?
It's a hand, all right. Like the wonkiest hand you've seen. That's an AI hand right there for you.
Yeah, but at least it looks like a hand, kind of.
Why aren't you like following the prompt? A hand? Maybe I need to
Oh,
crank the CFG up a little bit. Let's see.
Wonky, wonky. Ooh, bit better. Still has gloves though.
I just cranked the CFG up. Not a hand. Gonna try going up to like 10 in a second.
Yeah, just fuck around.
It's a hand. It's a tiny hand.
Super tiny.
I'd make a joke, but it would be political.
No, no. Let's keep this
There's your
out of
dog.
the streams.
I
Let's hit him
remember,
in
I
the head.
remember like getting an image once where like everything became a face somehow. And then
Uh,
I ran it for a detailer and it picked up even more things. And then rather than generating those things, it just made more faces and it was like an image where like everywhere you look, it was like a face. It was like the, remember
it's
the,
creepy.
like what was the dream something, the like one of the very first GANs to generate images from Google that would like make everything very dreamy and everything would have faces on it. Like
Yeah, yeah, like
2016.
the
So I don't know if you remember that particular thing. It was like a web thing you could mess around with.
everything looks like a LSD trip.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Kind of reminded me of it, but it was like high quality. I mean, it was crappy AA faces because they were small, and you know what happens. I think I was using Stable Diffusion 1.5, so just like imagine, not Excel.
So what's the newest stable diffusion?
Excel
Excel or
1.0, and the ecosystem is taking off. Did I get something? Buzz dashboard.
yeah, but yeah, new stable
4 days
diffusion will be
ago. No,
made every
they.
time,
Oh, I
right?
didn't get anything. Okay. Uh,
Like
the
stable
Let Your
diffusion will
Dreams Be
forever
Memes.
upgrade, right?
Okay, so he just wants funny images.
He wants memes.
Yep. Yep. Um,
What's up?
I'm just like thinking about it. By the way, I've just noticed a small problem with these things. I mean,
It's okay.
actually, I can fix this. I can fix this. I have an
That's
idea.
fine.
Like I can fix this in post. Uh, wait. It's gonna generate a wrong image, and now it's gonna generate a right image because I edited it right as I'm generating. If I know it's probably not gonna be right, I'm just like,
Oh, there we go.
I think the denoise was too high and was just trying to do whatever.
Yeah, that's what I thought before. That's what I told you. But you did some things that made it easier with the denoise, though, because now it has a hand.
Because it's now a lower denoise, it's trying to follow this more closely.
Yeah, you changed some pictures and stuff. Ooh,
These
that's
fingers are
nice.
too long. Um, Category people and blogs. Can I edit the category? Category should be science and technology.
Wait, and you think you have to do that?
I'm just editing the description of the video because I can do it here. There you go. The category was wrong. It thought
I
it was
see.
people and blogs for some reason. I'm like, what? I couldn't select the thing. I'm not trying to be an IRL streamer. I'm not
No,
even in
it's
Japan.
okay.
You've
I
seen
better
you've
just
seen
yeah,
how bad
I've seen.
the Japan thing has gotten. Like there's like signs in public in Japan saying just no streaming, no recording here
Maybe.
everywhere because people are just sick of it.
Hmm. I mean, yeah, it's fucked up, but
Yeah.
can't really do much about it.
She's missing a
Just the
finger here.
future, you know.
That's the problem. It's the
You
debug
think that's
detector
gonna
though.
be a problem?
I wanted to add the thing. I hate this. If you middle click on something, like an input, it tries to generate a reroute. And the problem is that you also use middle click to move things around, unless I just hold space. Yeah.
I see. Yeah.
That requires me to use the other hand, and I'm scratching my leg. My leg is itchy.
Itchy, itchy.
Probably gonna check the stream afterward.
Yeah, for sure. You should check it out. See how it
Like look
was.
at the stream quality and everything.
Oh yeah, you should do that.
Cause like if you look,
Then you can know for next time if you want your own voice higher or not. You know.
I mean, is it too loud or something, by the way, on stream?
No, your voice is fine.
Cause like, wait, give me a second, cause I'm
Oh, you
using.
know how some streamers have their voices like a bit louder than normal, you know. But I think it
No,
was
don't save
fine.
changes. No, like I made sure it doesn't peak too high.
Yeah.
Wait, can you try speaking right now?
Hello, hello. Mic check
Uh,
1 2.
yeah, okay, now it should be right. I need to slightly lower it because you were kind of getting a little bit
I
loud.
can I can
No, no,
give
no, no,
you
no, 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 no. Listen, listen. It's default settings in this thing, right? I want to get it roughly right. Can you try speaking again?
yeah mic check. No, but yeah, I
Now
can
it's
tell
good.
you.
Now it's good. Now it's good. My mic is a little bit louder, so
I can
my
tell you
gain
the
is a little
proper
bit lower.
audio level
Yeah, I'm
is
looking at these meters, you know.
never go up below -10. So just go -9 and you should be perfect. That's what I always do. And
You're
it
talking
never
about
goes
the
in
gain
red.
difference thingy. Depends on how loud your inputs are.
Yeah, but normally if you put it on -9 in OBS, it's most of the time really
Yeah,
good.
I'm just looking if it's you know.
Just as a streamer tip, I'll let you know. Just or else you'll be blowing away your ears, you know.
Yeah, but like I'm
It's-
just looking at the actual like levels that the view meters
I
generate
know,
because
but it should.
I don't wanna listen to my stream on this device because I am capturing the output and I would just make a loopback thingy.
I know, but I see it goes in red. But if you keep
Your
it like
your
at
output, yeah,
like
yeah, it slightly needs to go lower. Should let
yeah,
me
so
try.
if you keep it like at like 7 9, it should be always perfect. You know, it's like an audio professional thing.
Yeah,
Like I
yeah,
think
I'm
most
just looking at these
mics
view
have.
meters. Like the red is like when it's getting a little bit too
Yeah,
loud. It would probably like start, you know,
I
clipping.
think even some studio microphones have like built-in -10 decibels, you know, or something like that.
Yeah. Don't even get me started on decibels, how much of a mess that is. Also, I love the CPU usage by OBS.
Yeah, it's almost nothing.
Yeah.
No, but just check it out later. Check it
Actually, you
back
know what? I
and
want to do one thing. I want to do one thing. Let me.
what's up?
I don't have anything weird in downloads.
I hope not.
I wanted to just File
Hardware info.
Explorer. I want to run hardware info. It's gonna complain it's not up to date. Yes. Sensors only. I want the summary. And
What you gonna check?
close. I just want to see like the GPU temps and stuff. So here's
You
the.
should be okay.
Yeah, I just want to see how hot it gets. Right
42.
now, my GPU is at 40 degrees around.
Yeah,
Let's send it.
that's easy.
No, I think I was peaking at 70 to 73 during summer.
Really? It
Meaning
might go a
I
bit
could
up
literally
when you
just
prompt,
set
but
up Afterburner and slightly overclock my GPU.
yeah, I wouldn't do that. You know.
It's from 450 to 480 watts. It's not even a major overclock.
Yeah,
Because
that's what I mean. It's just
my GPU is power limited. I don't have like one of those cards that like has all the VRMs populated.
believe me, it just
It's
gives
kind of like a
instabilities. You know.
like technically speaking, it's kind of like a slightly better FE, although it looks much worse than an FE. I'm kind of pissed I didn't get an FE. Like Nvidia
Yeah.
even lists the FE cheaper than my card. She
Okay.
doesn't say my specific model because it's like
No,
no,
I
it just
think
says the model here. It doesn't say like the specific vendor, you know.
yeah. These days, overclocks are so unnecessary. I feel like just gets like instability, and it's just like for such low gain. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. I mean, it
yeah,
depends, because like if you shunt mode and you have like the cooling capability, and you could
yeah. If you
like
do
run a
some
4090 at
crazy
a
shit with it,
kilowatt, like imagine just doubling
yeah,
the power budget. I mean, it wouldn't be double performance because it's not linear.
no,
NVIDIA won't sell you a GPU that isn't close to like really getting, the most out of
the
it.
max. Yeah, exactly.
I mean, is her missing a finger in this image fine?
I think it's kind of fun. Maybe you can like draw like an extra line next to it, and it tries to like
You know what I want to do?
create.
You know what I want to do?
You can try that, right? Yeah, that
Uh,
one. Maybe you
Mask
can.
image, clear. I
Maybe
want
you
this
can.
hand to be slightly redrawn. So I'm gonna set the denoise even lower.
But if you put a line next to the left fist, a hand.
I'd have to like copy the details. There's this slightly messy bit, but that's something I can fix by hand.
Yeah, you can check that out later.
Okay, her fingers here are slightly melty. They look like,
It's fixable though.
yeah.
Well,
Let's,
in yeah,
let's try. Can always slightly crank up the denoise. That's a real nice hand.
yeah, that's nice.
Copy, clip space, paste, clip space, mask editor.
Sometimes you just have to be lucky. Getting that RNG.
And slightly higher denoise here. It's 50. No, it's 45. Let's go 0.5. Actually, you can do math in these, by the way. You can like type math expressions and it's gonna compute them.
All right.
I'm gonna do the other hand.
Yeah, you know how many times I had audio problems on my stream? Like
I don't have
forgetting
any
like
fancy audio
audio
setup right now,
captions.
so I probably won't have.
Nah, you're fine.
Uh,
I always like messing
uh,
around with music and different game
let's put design in
audios.
D negative prompt. What is this text? Trying to figure out if it's trying to spell a word.
Come. Maybe you can put like no text. Make
I
it
mean,
open so you see Booba.
I don't want to even try. If
No,
it generates a nipple,
true,
I'm gone off
true.
this platform.
I know. True though. It's not a. It's a risky
Wait,
option.
let's remove these. Blank.
That's very
Let's
risky.
see, and let's make text more important.
Yeah, you
Come
can't even
on,
try taking
come
it
on,
there.
do it. Okay, I am officially pissed. Preview image, Q. It's all 75.
Yeah, maybe that works better.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I thought like maybe if you put like on the left hand, you put like just like a small line, like a fake finger, you know? Maybe
I
it will
mean,
like create
I'm gonna redo this
on the
hand because it's
left one.
slightly wonky. There's this meltiness and she has no nails
Yeah,
for this
so if
hand.
you put like a line on the left side of that,
Nah, I'm probably
does that
gonna
work?
do a denoise on that hand. I just wanna do this first,
And thought maybe that will
It's,
create like a, a finger out of it. an
I
extra
know,
finger.
I know,
Yeah.
I know, I know, I know. It's not that surprising that you think that way, but I think it's fine. It's just an angle, you know. She's not missing fingers really.
Yeah, I guess so.
You also have to like remember, I know if you ever run into this issue where you focus on details so much that you lose like the whole picture.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's also like a thing that can happen.
True that. You can't be too perfectionist in this type of.
Unfortunately, I am very much perfectionist.
Yeah, me too. Maybe too much, you know. But
Yeah. Da, 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 Let's try using it from like here, running it across. Can probably grab a bigger one. Okay.
nice.
Actually, there's a little bit of that garbled stuff in here. Once you like understand how to use a clone brush, it's fairly easy.
Yeah, for sure.
That's too dark in here.
Once you have like this start, you might as well just do more tomorrow or something.
We'll see.
With the dog and
I'm
stuff.
thinking, like, so actually, one of the things, like, since we're talking about my other plans, so there's this competition on Civit. It's gonna pop up
Yeah.
if I go to the main page, where you make a style aura, and then there's a second competition for making images using two different style auras, where you try to merge two different styles.
Okay.
Where's that contest? Don't tell me it's vanished.
It's vanished. No. You moved it.
Articles. Let's go. Let's go articles. Articles. Announcement. That's the announcement of the results.
Cyberpunk.
Filters. Now weak.
Win a Samsung.
Oh wait, articles. Oh, they actually have weekly announcements. Didn't even know that. Basically, there's a contest. You make a style aura first,
Okay.
and then there's the second contest where you make an image using two different style auras. You try to merge two different artist styles, right? I
Yeah.
wanted to make one very specific style. I had one very specific artist in mind.
Okay.
Someone, wait, is this one still up? This one is still up, huh? Although this one
That's
kind of looks
cool.
wonky, because
The
there's this
Naruto one
one
is
and this
cool
one
as
is
well.
just. I thought it would be unlisted. Like, this is pretty much the style I was thinking about. Because I'm thinking
That's
about doing
cute.
this, but for SDXL, I can actually train SDXL at home. People like rent out 4090s
Yeah.
for training that, because it's like one of the best GPUs for it. Has
Yeah.
VRAM and it's plenty fast. Because like my fallback idea is to just grab a bunch of screenshots off of Jet Set Radio feature and try to make an art style out of the game's graphic style, you know?
Yeah. That'd be dope.
I cranked up my like settings, so I have like DSR set up, so the game runs at like high resolution.
Yeah. So you
And with
can
like
make
super
like
high anti-aliasing, I can just crop out parts of it.
Use them, yeah.
Yeah.
Smart.
Okay, I need to fix this up. It's slightly messy.
Yeah, but it will fix that with the shadow or something.
Yeah, that's fine though.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go temp, open, mask editor. We just do this. Save to node. And denoise. Actually, let's do 45. Let's see what happens. Oh, it needs that fancy conditioning though. It's not gonna change the conditioning of it. But yeah, this is the pose of the character. So like, this is her legs. This is her head. The face is not estimated because I set it to not estimate the face.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah, it's kind
Yeah,
of
looks
like
good.
merging it in. It's like fixing up the
Yeah, I
slightly
see.
messy clone job. I kind of like this. I don't want her boob up
That's good
poking up
though.
too much. Yeah. Copy and clip space. Paste and clip space. And now we're gonna work on yeah, let's send it as this. Let's send it as this.
See what happens.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do something about her pants as well, because there's a little bit of it. And like, probably gonna remove this pocket, try to remove this, because it makes no sense. This zipper
No,
is okay, this zipper is acceptable. And pants
it's a
can
bit
be
strange.
asymmetrical. Yeah. I'd like her sweatpants to be black, that they look more like jeans here.
Yeah, I like the jeans though. It's kind of
I'm
cool.
gonna have to remove the background, get a transparent version of it. Then I'm gonna try to get an image of a dog, like a very specific breed of dog.
Yeah.
Uh, don't care. Yeah, it's generating, okay. Uh,
It's getting. It's nice actually.
yeah,
You can fix it up a bit later, but yeah, actually looks nice.
mask editor. I'm gonna get rid of this pocket. Probably 45. I'm using random seeds because I just want to try till I get a good image, and I'm basically just running this conditioner, sorry, this detailer setup over and over.
I think that's the most fun thing, right? Just random seeds. Yeah.
Uh, makes it look like is this looking fine to you? Actually, I'm gonna
Looks nice. Looks
slightly
like
crank it up
wrinkles.
so it tries to remove the lines a little bit more,
Yeah,
because it still kind of follows the outline of it, you know?
true.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's
Copy.
clean.
Yeah, like getting the denoise right is like a big deal. And now I want to get rid of this zipper here.
Yeah, do it. It's a bit too malish.
Yeah, it's kind of a masculine thing, and it's kind
Yeah,
of like wonky tall and stuff. It almost goes down the middle of the seam.
yeah,
AI just loves getting small details wrong, so you kind of have to.
yeah. But you found a way to fix it nice.
Yeah,
That looks
let's
good though.
slightly higher denoise because it still gets the details here.
Like a sweatpants.
Oh wait, it's not
What?
the denoise. It's not the denoise. It's not the denoise, it's that it had the like faint bit of lines and it had to like extend them when it was trying to denoise the image and stuff.
Okay.
I'll made a seam here.
Yay.
I'm gonna try something crazy in a second. It's probably gonna be good this time.
What do you think?
Yeah, I can feel it. Like
That's nice.
once you get, you can like feel what you're gonna get out of the RNG casino. I want to try something crazy now. It's not gonna take much time though,
Do you think?
because it's me trying something out.
Try it out. Try it out.
And now I just tried white, black, sweatpants, zipper, pocket. I like masked out her entire legs and said, please give her black sweatpants. Let's see if it follows the thing.
Let's see. I mean, kind of fix the whole thing, though.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to fix this part up. I mean, they're not black, but that doesn't matter.
No,
Paste.
I think it's fine. Yeah.
There's a small defect you haven't seen. I wanna move here. Save to node. 55 should be good enough for
Maybe you
this.
can remove the right background instantly, too.
Yeah, I can probably also
And the
condition it
left
for a white
bottom.
background. This is easy to remove. This is
Yeah.
hard to remove because of the lower contrast, you
Why
know.
doesn't it just make it white, so? Or grayish?
Although denoise might mess it up. Yeah, that's slightly better. That's exactly what I wanted out of it. I do one thing at a time, it makes it easier. Pro
Yeah.
tip, when you want to get good images out of AI, you want to minimize the amount of things you can possibly mess up. I know it doesn't sound too nice to say, but it's the way I do it. You know?
Yeah, just one by one.
Yeah, this iterative approach. See how I fixed up this line? This line's still messy.
Yeah, but not too bad. I think it's...
Now it's even worse. Here it's kind of okay, but I want it to go down. Let's see if it does what I wanted to do. I might straight up paint it the way I want it to go, you know? Yeah, it's kind of closer, but not exactly.
Almost.
Open image, copy image, go here. I have to click on it because I'm in Windows. Windows sucks. Kids, don't use Windows. If you can avoid using Windows, your day is gonna be a better day.
Use Windows. Play all the games. Don't
It says
listen to
someone who has a Windows box just to play Fortnite.
her.
Temp. I made a typo. Cancel. And now I'm gonna load the image. It's gonna make it like a temp 18 because URL like image uploads work in the browser that way.
And
Save queue. I literally just redraw part of an image. That's how you get the best in paints.
the best ones.
Is it wonky down below there?
Eh,
It's not that wonky.
not too bad.
Maybe the denoise is a little bit too high.
Maybe.
Let's see. Actually, it's almost perfect. Want the corner to be slightly more rounded. Yeah, it's say 60 degrees.
And
and
once
then
you
dropping
prompt,
down.
yeah,
Because it's like running in a burst, you know?
yeah, but 60 is nothing. It's fine.
This corner's a little bit too sharp. Merge. Just anchor it, I don't care.
Nice.
And now, iteratively, we make an even smaller denoise. Like, so, sorry, a smaller in paint mask.
Yeah.
So I load this, and I load temp, and I grab the mask editor, and I grab this part, save, Q. And even though my fix up by hand is kind of rough, yeah, it's good. And now I take this from clip space and I paste it here. And I'm gonna try to remove, like, all those tiny leaks because it absolutely confuses the heck out of me.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Can do this in GIMP. Well, I'm kind of getting lazy. Okay, I just want to try one thing out. That's the idea.
Sure.
Let's see what happens. It made two parts of it. I need to set it up to combine. And I want to crank the denoise like to 80. Let's try 80. And yeah, it's sending it. Okay. It's gonna do it once now because I don't want it to do it twice. And it redrew it.
No. Yeah.
Oh, what? I'm just gonna take this image.
But if you just make it all white or something.
What kind of dog is it? Okay.
It's like a pit bull, right?
Yeah.
American pit bull terrier.
I'm gonna temporarily do this. No, actually, I need to
You're gonna do that
move
now?
this.
The
Yeah.
doggy? Ooh.
Let's try generating an image. It's fixed seed right now. Let's see what comes out. I want to know if this dog is gonna be good. I want to remove the background from the dog.
Yeah.
It loves to make anime girls when I'm prompted, by the way.
I
These
see.
models do that.
They all do just anime girls in general.
Yeah. I could use a separate model if I really wanted to. Problem is the other model is gonna do the same. Wait.
You might need to use like a separate model and then copy that into the picture and then, you know
Yeah,
what I mean?
that's the idea. Wait. Random
I might fall
image.
asleep soon though. I don't know if you mind, but
Yeah. Do I have anyone to?
don't want to leave you alone
Yo,
though.
finally a dog.
Oh, you mean the dog? That's actually good.
That is like some real clean line art. I mean, this
Oh,
medallion is
this is
real wonky. I mean, you
yeah,
could
but
make it tiny. You could redraw parts of it.
you can just make it silver and keep it like blank, you know?
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, but like, I want a whole dog. I don't want a profile.
I mean, he has to sit on that, yeah. It's gonna be difficult.
I mean, that dog looks real nice though.
It's super nice. You'd save it. Oh,
Is that a pit?
put that on the
Is
left.
that an American Pit Bull Terrier?
Yeah, mini one. Super cute
The
though.
color is fine.
I think that will pass as one, like a puppy, you know. Unless he wants like the big one, you know. But
Image. Crop to selection. No, not image. Crop to selection. Crop to selection here.
I would say that's like a pitbull puppy.
Select grow 1 pixel. Yes, thank you very much.
Clean.
Clean.
Super clean.
And now if I take the doggo.
Hell yeah.
Wait, I probably should.
It's
Yeah,
gonna
there's
be
a little bit.
perfect.
Yeah, but I don't want this garbage. Actually, I'm gonna add a new layer. Layer goes below. And I want my debug color. Pro tip, as a web developer, I use this color for debugging stuff because everything glows on it, you know.
Yeah.
I want to erase from this one, this layer. I had the wrong layer selected.
Other part too.
Actually, you know what I'm gonna do?
Go 1 pixel in.
Select feather, like 2 pixels. No. Okay, the rest of the edges is nice. I can just copy the dog now to a new layer, and I can move the doggo now and scale it because I want the doggo to be about this size. How about this size?
This looks legit. Looks like a
Listen,
real size.
listen. What you do is you export this, and then you do an image to image pass, so it kind of melts in, and it can like draw shadows on and so on. Like
Nice.
that's the whole point. Make this fixed. Make this image the input. So we're gonna take the temp. And I am like super lazy, so I just do this. Save. I'm gonna set the denoise real low, like 0.18. Generate a hand here, by the way. An okay-ish hand.
Yeah,
Like this is slightly wonky, but like this font looks nice. This index
it's pretty
finger
good.
looks nice. It's gonna work a little bit harder now. It changed the image a little bit too much. 0.12. Mask editor, I'm gonna actually do
Maybe just the lowest.
the lowest would be 0, and denoise of 0 means change absolutely nothing.
Okay.
I think I might have to draw a shadow underneath the dog.
Does it need a shadow? Or put it a bit more backwards, maybe?
I'm gonna take a color of a shadow. Paintbrush, new layer, yes. Just gonna make the brush much bigger and just like draw a shadow underneath the dog. Oh. This paw is slightly problematic. I might have to move the dog a
Yeah, I
little.
thought like maybe, yeah, a bit up or backward to the left a bit more.
Bit
Yeah.
off to the side, and now I move this
Yeah.
layer, and actually I'm gonna grab an eraser and make the shadow slightly smaller and sharper. Paintbrush. There's a slight gap in here. Something like this, right? I'd love to take this layer, colors, hue, saturation, lightness down, make it slightly darker. Temp, replace, export, I don't care. And let's try loading the image again. And
Yeah.
mask editor, and I wanted to kind of melt the dog into the details, you know. Q size, what's being queued? What's being processed right now? Okay. The dog's eyes are slightly melty now.
Yeah, but it's still pretty good though. Right? I like it.
Change the pose of the dog. Change the pose. I think the denoise is slightly too high. 0.10.
Oh yeah, it did. Yeah.
Anime girl, stout dog, sitting on lap. Send negative prompt. Let's see. Yes, empty prompt. Pretty much.
Yeah.
And that looks slightly better. And now I'm gonna recursively redraw the eyes of the dog. Because I don't like the eyes of the dog.
You know?
Oh, wait. Yeah, let's queue a prompt. This eye is slightly melty. I want a different one. Slightly different one.
He looks kinda cute, like a bit worried, you know, and
What's this by the way? I can fix this later. And I like this eye, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Paste, mask editor, smaller, save, queue. Like really no low denoise works here really well.
I see.
I want the eyes to look slightly better. So to generate them to be slightly more detailed. And now I wanna, yeah, like literally I don't even change the prompt right now. I'm just like one-shotting these. Mask editor, real small one, like here-ish. I want this to be redrawn. Okay, it generated the segments. Slightly higher denoise. It's a really small part of the image. It's like a speck.
Yeah.
Anchor, don't care.
Easy fix.
Yep. And now I'm gonna duplicate this. Actually, I want to see one thing. Wait. Forgot about this. This is why it wasn't working. It picks up specs. It's too bad. But a couple of clicks and it's almost perfect.
Can't you just cut out the left bottom part and the right part?
I'm gonna remove them in a second, you know. I just want to grab the background color right now. There's little specks here. No, this is about right. And anything here, no.
Yeah, that's the thing. You're still being a designer, or like
Yeah.
it's not like full AI still.
I mean, what do you mean
But
by full
most of it.
AI?
Well, you're still doing like small details with hand and prompting it back in. You know what I mean?
Okay,
It's a
now I can
combination.
actually do what you meant to say, because I know what you
Yeah.
meant to say, but it's such a small detail, it doesn't really matter, you know?
No, but I think it's cool if that works, then it's super clean. You know.
Select
Then you can put the desk
one
in later
pixel.
easier.
And I mean, you can generate nice images pretty much almost automatically if you really want to, but they're not going to look as nice. And if you
No,
want like a
exactly.
complex composition like this, because this is like, let's say, a
The way to
complex
do it.
image, then you really want to, because like you can make crappy AI images, you know.
Of course.
Who hasn't gone into Dolly Mini back in the day, before it was even called Crayon, and said Boris Johnson eating spaghetti or whatever, the silly prompt, haha, looks goofy, kind of deformed but funny, you know?
Yeah, but I want but a combination mm,
But
of
like
AI
if
and
you
you
know,
doing
if you can,
things is
yeah,
just the
then you
best
can
way.
like get the better results.
Yeah.
That's my point. That yes, it's not fully automatic. I'm probably gonna have to do it this way.
Yeah, but automatic enough to save you a lot of time, you know.
Yeah, I'd say that like artists should look, hey, let's make a
Hell yeah.
Laura out of my own art style and see, you know, what happens.
You think you can make a logo of mine
Of your
for
what?
my YouTube channel?
Like for the background, like we mentioned before?
Well, just like a Japanese uh, logo. I don't know.
Japanese
Just-
logo.
You know how the fucking anime movie. text logos look like.
Anime movie text logos.
I don't know how to explain it.
I mean, you don't mean the one I made for you before, right?
No, I don't mean. I mean like just like a logo with text. Nothing, not characters.
Oh, so you want me
Nothing.
to like actually do graphic design, not AI art? That's what you mean? Yeah, I'm asking because like it wasn't clear, you know.
No, no. I was thinking like, is it possible to do with AI? But I don't know.
I mean the
It's
text is
probably
gonna be
not.
super wonky. I could get the rough idea.
Yeah, no.
I hate how you have to click F every single time because I want to make a new selection.
I could do the text myself, maybe.
That's no problem. Like I can grab Inkscape because I don't have it installed here and run it.
I'll show you later, tomorrow or
Uh,
something, what I mean.
Let me just export this for now. Actually, I want to do one thing here.
Yeah, fix up the last things. I'm gonna go sleep soon too.
Colors. Just saturate the crap.
How long you been streaming? I normally stream for like 4 hours or longer. It depends. But
No. How do I make this match the color? Paintbrush. Over this.
I had some degenerate streams where I streamed when the classic WoW came out and stuff. I streamed for more than 12 hours and stuff.
I'm just using a mask thing.
Yeah, it's okay.
Colors. Lightness hue cancel. I wanna do hue saturation. So if I mess around with the lightness here, it's making this. Actually, you know what? Let's keep these red parts. It's like a lighter, so if we
Yeah,
have
it's
discoloration,
okay.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Now I want a room. Fixed.
I'm gonna keep fixing it.
No.
So I'm gonna go sleep. I'm gonna survive.
Yeah. Give me a second. Let's see what happens. It's generating an image. Desk
Really go
on
for it.
left side. Because I want a very specific one.
Yeah.
Basically, what I want to do is I want to composite the images. I mean, if this chair wasn't here, it will almost work.
Looks really good though. Yeah.
Yeah. And of course, it's AI generated the keyboards here.
Yeah.
I'd probably literally grab a picture of a keyboard, paste it in, and then just do an image to
Exactly.
image on it. Like with a super low denoise. So it's like, how did you get the keys straight on a keyboard with an AI? Holy crap, how are you so good? I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, let me see one thing. Couple of things. The highest temperature was 60.8 degrees Celsius. Actually, what was my CPU temps like? 74 degrees Celsius on the CPU.
Pretty good.
Yeah. I'm on an air cooler, like a big ass air cooler. And 0 dropped frames. Okay. Kinda want a flipped the aspect ratio, you know?
For the image.
Wait. Now it's gonna work. Kinda wish that there was like some kind of UI that would show you what node is running. Because like, I don't want something like this. I want the desk further to the left so I can like paste the character over it, you know?
Yeah.
Like you can see, I literally painted a shadow and then just did an image to image on it to composite two images together. I like
Maybe
this one.
close. Yeah.
I like this one. I mean, it's a tiny laptop. It's like a boomer setup. This is a peak boomer setup.
The super
This
boom.
is like I am 45 years old. The setup.
I got my CDs, DVDs,
Also, although I like
LPs,
the reflections here.
the
Yeah, the
IKEA
audio
lamp.
setup on the left here. Why are these
Yeah.
speakers on the floor? Like subwoofer, I understand why would you put a subwoofer on the floor?
I don't know.
Also this TV
Yeah. Like some
and this
projector.
chair is disgusting.
Yeah, it's fucked.
This is like I bought the cheapest chair I could find.
Maybe you need to put it in close up so it's like getting more close to the
Yeah.
desk.
First and foremost, I don't want chairs in the images, so I put chair in the negative prompt. 1.2. I fail. One speaker without a pairing. This looks more like a gaming setup, right? I mean, this monitor's something else.
What's that?
But like, look at this shadow.
Super nice.
Like,
Clean.
actually, no. What would be funny if you could take like a bunch of like rendering buffers from a game, like it's Z buffer, G buffer, whatever, right?
Yeah.
And then just run an AI model to generate shadows out of it. Screen space deep learned AO. There you go.
Yeah.
NVIDIA, this one's for free. I wouldn't be
There you
surprised if
go.
they tried something like this internally. Like they do wild stuff.
I wouldn't be surprised if most
I
of the
like
things
this
will be
setup. Like it
AI
generates
based.
real nice setups.
Yeah, super nice.
Kind of like the dark color.
The black walls and stuff, I like that too. Yeah, with the lights in the walls and stuff. That's sick.
The shadows. The shadows. Like there's actual contact hardening on everything and whatnot. Like look at this shadow.
Yeah, even there.
Yeah. I
Sick.
fucking like kind of like learned how to make these shadows so pretty. Like that there's actual parts of the neural net that do that. Kinda like this one. If you cropped it and upscaled it, you know? Have to crop it and upscale the shit out of it. Because I would need to remove this, right, chair? The gaming chair. I like kinda starting to like this prompt. I mean, look at this one. This major one. I'm gonna remove window because I don't want a window at the side because I want the poster to go here, you know? Hmm. But there's like a big TV on the side. Unless I got like the right crop of it, right? Let's try 1182. 1182, am I saying it right? 1184 by 888. You're there? Or did you just leave? Yeah, you're still here. You're going to sleep,
Yeah,
right?
no, I'm still here. Yeah, yeah. Did you say something?
Okay, so
Did you ask me something?
that's what the crop would look like. Trying to figure out the best possible setup.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you to finish up a bit. I don't know if you're gonna
I don't know if I'm
continue or
gonna
not.
finish it by now, but we're gonna see it. This monitor, I'll need to get rid of it.
Yeah.
This, export temp, replace,
It looks clean now.
wait. Choose image to load, and I want temp 1. No upscale, please. I want it to be a big image. So I can manually scale it down. Like, look at the edges of everything. It's much, much better now, right? I can copy this image. Image, scale image, 1184. Wait. What's the size of this image? 888, wait, 1184.
888.
1184. Image, scale image.
888 1184.
Okay, actually scale it this way. And now I have a perfectly sized crop. You know? It's off by 1 pixel, is it? Yeah, it's off by 1 pixel here. Image, crop to selection. And now we can get in painting, fixing up a little bit of details. Some of the stuff I can fix up manually, you know.
Yeah, you can touch it up a bit later.
View the rulers. I want rulers. Export. Now. Temp. Export. And now we take this into
I want to see the results of that.
in paint.
Hmm?
Temp. Mask editor. Denoise has to go a little bit higher, I think. The preconditioning of the pose is like not really needed. Huh? I'm gonna bypass the control net. I want to see an extreme example. Is this working kind of thing.
Yeah, me too.
I think the mask is a little bit small. Mask editor.
So you're just gonna
I want to remove this text from here. I could probably clone it out, but I want to see how well the model's cooperating.
And then you're gonna use
It's
this
made a
image.
small moon. Nice.
Then
Nice. That's because the denoise is like, way too high.
you're gonna cut out the other one and put it in front of this one, and then melt it
Actually, you know what?
together again.
Screw it. I'm just gonna do it the classic way.
But if you just make the same color, yeah. I think that works best though, if you do it like that.
Oh, sample average. I'm just gonna get this. I'm gonna get the.
Even if it's not perfect, it's the best way to do it.
Yeah. So if someone craps on AI art, just tell them what I think about it. I need to remove this. I need to place the keyboard. Just as a test run. She'd be sitting like that, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good.
I mean, I'm not pasting her in, but this doesn't matter. This doesn't matter as much. This chair.
That's the idea.
Yeah, I just wanna like gauge what matters, what doesn't, Chair's pretty much gone. This is fine. Speaker fine, fine. So this keyboard is gonna be probably mostly gone. Let's try doing it this way. Look.
Yeah.
I mean, does the copyright even matter?
No.
Gaming keyboard. Something like this could work, right?
Yeah. Just make it small. Cut it out. Make it small. Put it on there, and it should
Okay.
work.
Oh wait. Image to selection. Um, what? Make it like this big. Look, it's like a magic eraser actually.
Yep. And it's gone. And it's wireless.
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna be so tiny that no one's gonna even be able to tell what kind of keyboard this is.
No.
And then we can talk about the questionable copyright of AI art. I'm not even selling this for money, so it doesn't matter.
No.
It's pretty
It's
much me just
alright.
getting some experience. I was thinking about like taking paid commissions when it comes to AI art.
You should try it. If you make them like this, then it should be good.
Uh, Paintbrush. see, chat, no one here. Okay. I mean, even the crop doesn't have to be perfect, but I get it closer. And then we paste 2 new layers, scale it, make it like rotate, transform, no, shear it a little bit. Want to do is I want to kind of squash it like this, you know.
Yeah.
And now I want to scale it all the way down till like an absolutely tiny. Two new layer. No, cancel. I want to rotate it to be like this. The angle's kind of messed up. Actually, oh wait, this isn't a move. Shear it like a little bit, yeah. Scale. And now when I try to scale, I can actually translate it. It's kind of wonky.
Yeah, it's kind of wonky. Maybe you need a different one. That one, that's flying one, or like
Something like
just
this would be nice, this kind of angle. Oh
uh,
wow, what season is this? Holy, what season is this?
I don't know.
Actually, you know what? Let's pretend we're reasonable adults here. Tools. Okay, now it's fine. A lot of these are just stock images. This is a
It
render of
could
a
work,
keyboard.
maybe. I don't know.
Because I kind of want something like a top view of a keyboard, and then I could literally transform it over it.
Yeah, I think that
Copy
might
image.
work best.
Actually, this is fairly tiny. It's like, this is kind of rough looking, then I realized that literally doesn't matter. Is this the hard brush? I don't know. This is hard brush. Yep, there you go, it's gone. Oh, wait. Layer, crop the content. Now it's gonna be like 10 times easier to work with it. And now we kind of
Yeah.
put it, I want to transform it.
Yeah, but if you put it like that, it will make something, you know, the AI will make it pretty.
Looks like a keyboard on a desk. Am I right or am I right?
Yeah.
Looks like an actual keyboard on a desk.
Yeah, it looks good.
Clone. Just I want a dark color like this. I want a softer brush, like a 0.5, and I want it to be like
Yeah,
much smaller.
that will work.
That will work. And now I have this done.
Just remove the red one, maybe.
I think if
Just
I do
remove
my,
that whole thing.
wrong image, wait, let me just discard this image.
Oh, you're gonna paste it over it. Yeah,
I
I
wanna
see what you're saying.
see it to new layer over the top of everything, no weird blending modes. And now we just do a scale of the image. It's gonna be barely visible at the end of it, you know. It's a bit too close to the, could like in paint her legs or something. She's fine if she does it slightly. The
Yeah, that
keyboard's
would be
gonna be
good.
really visible. Her hand's
Yeah,
gonna be cut off, so it's gonna be her left hand only. That's even better because I don't have to care about the coherence between the hands.
unless you put it on the left side.
Just noticed. I just noticed these, you know. Kinda wish I had my drawing tablet with me. Oh well.
You have one.
I have one. It's at my parents' place, so I don't have it here. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Okay, just eat her. Actually, for sake of previewing, I'd want her to be like this, maybe.
Yeah,
So I don't really have to paint that. Okay. You have a screenshot of Valorant at hand?
no. Why he? Oh, he wanted Valorant, man.
Like a cutesy, but these are.
Just do like Valorant wallpaper. Oh, and then see it. And then
She.
he,
Listen.
I think
She's playing Valorant.
no, she has like the background, the wallpaper arts. I think.
Or I mean, it's like a cue screen of it or something, you know.
Yeah, you could put one where she's playing. Yeah, fuck it.
Something like this.
Yeah.
Look, I'm gonna tell you how you do this. To new layer, goes below the girl. And now we just do this. And we literally just go into the corners. And it's perspective corrected and everything. I'm gonna have to
Yeah,
eyeball the last corner, but
that's funny.
yeah, I can go with the lines. Right. I'm not aggressive in one of the corners here. Still could kind of follow here. It's slightly rough in here.
Might be cooler if you do like a cool wallpaper, Valorant wallpaper art.
No, she's meant to be playing Valorant.
Okay.
Transform. Kind of fits, right?
Yeah.
But now I need to grab an eraser. Erase alongside the edge.
make the middle of the thing black too, the speaker.
She's playing Valorant now, look. I'm gonna have to maybe draw a shadow underneath her, I don't know. So I need to remove this version of her. I'm gonna export this. Oh wait, Deadpool poster. I need a Deadpool poster. Something like this. Oh. Two new layer. And just unify transform this thing. I
Deadpool.
hate how it's like 5 different tools in here, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes it gets kind of annoying, the guy. Now it's kind of a convex thing, so it's gonna complain, but that's gonna return to normal. I want to hit those corners very precisely. I mean, it's a meme, pretty much.
Yeah.
And now, export this itch. And now I'm just gonna close this, take ComfyUI, grab my detailer workflow, open mask editor. I'm lazy. I could probably figure out
That's
a
okay.
way to use a node for that. Real node, denoise. 0.12. Let's see 0.12 for now. It's gonna detect nothing. Actually detect something, but I'm not using the thing. Doesn't matter. And it's slightly AI looking now, right? What happened here? Oh, the prompt.
Actually made it really good. That's cool though.
I want a lower denoise though. Just want the still kind of painted on, you know?
Yeah.
What happened here? Oh, here, something like this, I think.
Yeah.
Right. Copy clip
Looks amazing.
space. I'm gonna do a 25 paste Q. I'm gonna do an AI cleanup of the image. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of a trick. I'm gonna paste it to new layer. Put exactly 1-to-1 on top of the original image. Look at this. Look at this.
It's really good. Perfect. Says IMAX. Now the finger is a bit wonky. Fuck it.
I want it to look slightly cleaner in some of the parts. Yeah,
Smart.
just reverse erase.
Yep. The gator looks a bit not around.
I'm literally just trying to get the text to look right, you know.
Do the top left too.
I
The
did
top
it.
left
I did
gator.
it. I did it. Like, look here at this text, and look here at this text. This is the actual text. If I
Yeah.
remove Deadpool, when I think of Deadpool, I think of something else.
What?
I think of Quantum TV.
Okay.
You know,
I
to new layer, and now we just do a scale of our.
can't wait for the new Deadpool with the Wolverine and stuff. Gonna be cool.
Something like this.
Yeah.
What do you think? And now we export this again. And now we go back to our workflow. I'm gonna have to clean up the text again and a couple of small details, but that's fine. I'm gonna grab temp. I'm gonna grab mask editor. I mean, I could do something like, you know, actually I could do this. I'm actually being smart right now. So everything else is pretty much pristine. And we want a super low noise value. Come on, come on, come on. Look, it estimated the pose of her.
I see.
What happened here? What's the denoise value? Let's mess around. Let's see what happens with a super low denoise. Her eyes get wonky. See a higher denoise. What about like all free?
These look pretty good now, no? It gets worse, no?
Just want a low, super low. Why does her fingers become this mess?
I don't know. It's a, I mean,
The edges on this image are super rough.
maybe you should try to maybe like some black shadow on the edges.
Select to path, path. And now I need to get the eraser. Actually, I want to see. I want a harder eraser. 0.75. Size of like 5. Uh, eraser.
And then
Does her hand look this rough in here? No, it actually looks like a masterpiece.
it's good, yeah.
What the heck, Gimp? Sorry, what the heck, Windows? I hate how focus works in Windows. Okay, doggo selected. So I don't want to do too much of the fix-ups of the thing.
No.
They're people gonna be like, how did you get the AI text to be so clean?
Yeah. It's gonna be like, yeah, magic.
Like the edges get super messy.
Yeah, that's it, got a bit off.
What's a little bit off?
The left side of the headset.
It
See?
gets super wonky. Oh, one denoise. Literally cannot go lower with this precision. I'd have to add decimal points. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, I'm gonna copy it, paste it, AI upscale it. What? I want you, I want you, I want you here. I don't want the path here. I want the layer here. And now I can just literally do this. Parts of the image I don't like. No. Face gets slightly dewonked.
Oh, that's super thin, that's why.
It's super thin, so it loses the detail. And now, export it as temp. Export. Let it export. I'm gonna load this temp. Let's make sure it's the fixed up one. you. And now I want to strip the metadata, so I'm gonna do this. Image.
I'm gonna jump in bed soon. In a
Yeah,
minute.
give me a second. I'm just gonna remove
I know you're almost ready.
these. Yeah, I'm about to post it.
Let's go.
Now, submit entry. I want the girl with dog.
He's gonna be super
Bounty
happy with that.
file.
Or she.
I don't
He,
want the
she.
metadata because it's gonna be absolutely scuffed because this is like 20 prompts chained
Yeah.
together in a really cursed way.
Yeah, we don't want to let them know then.
Yeah. Oh, there's generation data that's completely empty. Okay. And there you go. Does it show up on my profile? I hate when bounties don't show up.
Should be, no?
I wish it did, but upload.
Because
No,
it's a
not a model. I
bounty.
want an image.
You can always upload the one yourself just to show it up.
Yeah, that's what I do typically. Gonna have to wait. Anime, girl, dog. Actually, woman's a popular tag.
Woman.
Yeah. And now.
Clean, super cool. You did a good job.
Please.
What?
Fuck, I thought I lost the upload. Person, face, entertainment center, sitting, computer hardware, head, woman, screen, dog, headphones, chair, bands, computer, female, long hair. This is like such a scuffed piece of AI art. Oh, and now I get my bus. You see that?
Yeah.
Also, I have enough money to train Laura twice in here.
Nice.
Yeah. Bounty chaser tofu mummy
Let's go. Bounty
on
hunter.
Civet. It's
You're a
getting
bounty
close to
hunter
6
now.
a.m. Probably gonna go to bed to sleep as well.
Yeah.
Is
I'm
that
gonna go.
what's this bounty, by the way? How much time today? So I could probably do this tomorrow. I mean, if you have something in mind for that logo, just post it to me
Oh
on
yeah, no,
either on Steam or even better on Matrix. You don't have to do it
I'll
today.
no, no,
Then I'm
no.
gonna look at it and
We'll do
figure
it
out
in the
what's the best
future.
approach. But because if it's something I can do with AI, I'm gonna do it with AI.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Like
We'll check it out.
best tool for the job.
Yep, exactly.
That's what's that? That's like a model.
Guess so.
Oh, he's trying to pay Buzz for a review of his stuff. I
Like his
typically do reviews for
ex-girlfriend.
free because I get paid either way, you know. No,
Yeah.
I'd probably consider doing it.
Right.
I'm probably gonna try to gather some training images for,
All
you know.
right. I'm gonna go in bed.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a
GG's.
day soon as well. Yeah.
Yeah, go check out the stream back, the quality if you
Yeah, yeah.
everything.
I'm gonna. Actually,
Was fun.
while I'm doing
See,
it, let me kill that off.
you
Kill
did a good job on the
commands. Yeah,
image.
yeah.
Well done. And
I had that. Actually, I want to see something.
okay.
Hello?
Hello, I'm still here.
See this? This is the WSL process.
What is that?
Uh,
Is that for the Comfy thing?
no,
No.
I hate this. Why is there a zombie of WSL? Windows, please explain yourself. Like, I mean,
I'm not sure. I'm not following.
Right. Because if I
Yeah.
run something like, if I open up Emacs again, this process is gonna shoot up in memory usage a little bit and have some CPU usage. I mean, if I start typing, CPU usage is gonna go up by a fraction.
Yeah, it's just a little bit, right? There's not too much that your PC can
It
handle.
is pissing me off because it means that in order to shut it down cleanly, this is a zombie process. Like, this is really bad.
Yeah, I don't know much about that stuff. I'm sorry.
I mean, it's running my favorite distro to show,
I see.
to be able to just run my software tools. Actually, screw it. I'm gonna do it some other day.
I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Yeah. So good
GG's.
night,
Was fun.
Sophie. I'm
Yeah,
thinking maybe of trying
good
something
night,
else
Katja.
tomorrow. Maybe I mean, I'm not gonna stream myself training Laura's because that's like the most boring thing ever.
Nah, no.
Because the
Should
magic
just
sauce is literally sitting around for hours waiting for the training to finish and then evaluating. Also, you know what's weird? I was looking
should
around,
do
I
some
couldn't
gaming
find
streams
how
then.
to normalize. Yeah. What else? What else? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll talk to you
Good night.
soon,
Good
I
night. Yeah.
guess. Yeah. Good night. See ya.
Bye bye. Good yeah. Actually,
Later.
we could talk on Steam if you muted me. That would work.
When now?
No, like on next stream. So you don't have to use,
Like
Jitsi.
that. Yeah,
That's
of
also an
course.
option. Yeah.
Oh, we can do that for sure. Yeah, easy.
Yeah.
All right.
What can I do
I'll
about
talk
you?
to
Can I
you
do something
soon.
about you here? Oh, can I just a moderator? I was wondering.
Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good night.
Later. See ya.
Bye. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day now.